Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can set changing wallpaper on lock screen in OPPO smartphone. So firstly you will need to launch settings, then find and enter the home screen and lock screen category, scroll the page all the way down, onwards go for lock screen magazine, turn this switch on, and well, at this point the lock screen carousel was successfully activated. And it will provide you with changing wallpapers automatically. But if you would like to add a custom ones or manage what pictures will be shown, just enter the carousel wallpaper section and add up to 9 pictures or photos or images that you would like to be included in the list of shown and changing wallpapers, and those will be shown more often than other ones or the automatic ones that you'll get from the system. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.